Múyìwá Ọ̀sátìmẹ́yìn Benjamin ó jí ọmọ gbé.
eléyìí tún gbẹnu tán o ọkọ kidnap àwọn ọmọ ó sì gbé wọn travel lọ sí Venezuela. Nǹkan dé o ẹ wò ó ọ̀rẹ́ ìyàwó ló ké gbàjarè wá sọ́dọ̀ Alhaji Dr. Oriyomi Hamzat o torí pé kí ni ìyàwó gangan ò sí lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà mọ́ Ọlọ́run ti bóun náà ṣe òun náà ti wà lórílẹ̀‐èdè United States báyìí bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́kọ́ gbìnàyà Venezuela lòun dorí kan tiẹ̀ àmọ́ jẹ́ ohun tó bani nínú jẹ́ pàápàá jùlọ tó ba ìyàwó yẹn nínú jẹ́ wípé kò tiẹ̀ tàwọn lólobó rárá bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni kò fóun gbọ́ pé òun kó àwọn ọmọ lọ. ẹ̀yin èèyàn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó gbẹnu tán kódà ó kẹnu ó fẹnu ó mà tún lọ́ọ̀rin mi ò fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ jù lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí torí pé kí ni ọ̀rọ̀ ń ò dùn lẹ́nu mi ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé arákùnrin wọlé kẹwàá gbọ́ wọn ìrìn ìrìn lẹ́nu ẹ̀ torí pé kí ni ó fọ́gbà yán gan ó tú gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́sẹẹsẹ láwẹ́láwẹ́ ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wo fún ẹni kẹ́ máa comment kẹ́ máa like kẹ́ sì máa bá ń pín káàkiri kó bá lè tètè kan ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn lára láì dé ìnà pẹ̀nu ó yá ẹ̀ sọ níbẹ̀.
ẹ káalẹ́ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò Kókórò Alátẹ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gan.
orúkọ mi ni Ọláyínká Adéọlá torí Múyìwá Ọ̀sátìlẹ́yìn extra.
Múyìwá Ọ̀sátìlẹ́yìn extra.
extra Benjamin.
Benjamin kí ni wọ́n ṣe.
ó jí ọmọ gbé ni sà ó jí ọmọ gbé ni.
Múyìwá Ọ̀sátìmẹ́yìn Benjamin ó jí ọmọ gbé.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà bó ṣe jẹ́ ni wípé òun àti ìyàwó ẹ̀ wọ́n jọ wà ìsìn náà 2017 so ìyàwó ẹ̀ jẹ́ ẹni tó yẹ pé mi àti ẹ̀jọ̀ wà tó yẹ pé àti church àti ìrànlẹ́ là ń gbé ní agbègbè kan ní tó wà ní ẹ̀yìn kí lórúkọ ní gate ṣá so gbogbo àyẹn èmi fúbọ́là ni mí so a pàdé ní church ló dá wa papọ̀ so our relationship yẹn ṣe kí n then she's from Hausa land so èmi náà dẹ̀ gba Hausa so n tó jẹ́ kí relationship yẹn kú tight nìyẹn so gbogbo àyẹn tó yẹ pé tá a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ torí kò sí ọjọ́ kankan wọ́n yẹ pé kí n ká má rira ká dẹ̀ má sọ̀rọ̀ so ó máa ń sọ fún bí ọkọ ṣe máa ń abuse ẹ̀ bí kó lù kó wọ nílẹ̀lẹ̀ there was a day tó yẹ pé ara ẹ̀ ò yá tó yẹ kó sọ fún mi pé ara ẹ̀ ò yá pé wọ́n máa dáhùn dúró sí hospital so èmi ní láti pè níjọ́ kejì pé tọ́ á fọ àbò lára o pé ọ̀tọ̀ kan ilé wa ò jìnnà síra wa ẹ̀yìn géètì níbi yídì mbẹ̀ yẹn àwọn street tó wà lẹ́yìn ìyẹn ni à ń gbé ńgbà yẹn so mo á bí lérè pé tọ́ bó lára wà pé òun wà lé pa ṣe bí ó yẹ kí wọ́n dá dúró sí hospital ni fún ní pé ọkọ òun sọ pé òun ò ráyè láti dúró tíyàn pé kéèyàn dúró tí òun ní hospital ok mo dẹ̀ ní bí òkè pé tọ́ pé ká lọ wo pé so that torí àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ máa lọ sí school pé òkè ká lọ wò ní àárọ̀ pé bó ṣe jẹ́ bàtà dẹ̀ débẹ̀ bá ṣe débẹ̀ to my surprise ni pé mo bá tó jẹ́ pé drip wà lára ẹ̀ so drip yẹn ló fi ń dá iná tó jẹ́ pé drip yẹn gan ẹ̀jẹ̀ ti ń wọnú kíní drip yẹn padà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọkọ ẹ̀ ṣe dájú sí tó yẹ pé èèyàn tó yẹ pé ó wà ká lọ́ọ̀sì gan so gbogbo àyẹn dẹ̀ ní bó ṣe máa ṣe ìjà náà tí wọ́n ṣáà máa ń jàṣà mi wà òun ṣe èèyàn kan then kò ń fẹ́ kí èèyàn kankan kó jẹ́ pé kẹsẹ̀ lọ rí rárá ó máa ń lé àwọn èèyàn dànù ni
kúrò lọ́dọ̀ ìyàwó ẹ̀
lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ kò ń fẹ́ rárá and then is the kind of person tó yẹ pé kò ń fẹ́ kí ìyàwó òun kó wà independence rárá láti ṣe nǹkan kan so is it not 2017 I think if I'm right so ọkọ ẹ̀ sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ lọ ṣe ọlùdé ní Kaduna so ìyàwó wọn sọ pé kí ìyàwó náà di ẹrù mi gan mo wà lára àwọn tí a bá wọn di ẹrù ta lọ so bàtà ń tọ́ dẹ̀ lọ tán débẹ̀ meanwhile ó fẹ́ lọ sí Venezuela
okay
so Venezuela yẹn ni ó ń plan láti ibẹ̀ kò sọ fún èèyàn kankan so bàtà wá dé Kaduna bó ṣe dé Kaduna báyìí ó ní ẹbí ẹnìyẹn jẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìyá síbẹ̀ kò ń ṣe wọn ní biological mother so wọ́n wá kó àwọn méjì agree láti kó ọmọ yẹn sí àwọn ọmọ méjì ọkùnrin kan obìnrin kan iye obìnrin ní ẹ̀gbọ́n yìí àbúrò ní ọkùnrin so ìgbà tí wọ́n ṣàdébẹ̀ ṣàtọ́ ṣe kínní so ibẹ̀ náà ó ti plan ó ti ní gbogbo kínní ẹ̀yìn ọjà pókè pé òun travel lọ bẹ̀ kò sọ fún ìyàwó ẹ̀ so kó ṣàdé ọ̀sán kan olùkọ́ ó ti ṣe kí lórúkọ ẹ̀ ìjà tí ń wáyé láàrin òun àti ìyàwó ẹ̀ because why tí mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé nígbà tí wọ́n wà ní Ìbàdàn bíbí ìtajà ó pè mí jọ́ kan tó bá wà bíbí mo lè sọ ó pè mí ó ń sọ fún mi pé kémi wo because ó mọ̀ pé mi àti àwọn ìyàwó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa pé ṣé kémi wo kíní kan pé nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ibi iṣẹ́ àwọn pé ọkọ àti aya ń jà pé nígbà tán dẹ̀ ń jà kó padà para wọn ni òun dẹ̀ ń wò pé relationship àwọn yìí pé òun bó ṣe ń lọ yìí
kó má jẹ́ pé ibi tí ó padà ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn
èmi ṣáà ń bẹ̀ ń gbà yẹn pé kó fi sùúrù sí pé wọ́n ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn pé ọkùnrin ni ó gbọ́rọ̀ ní sùúrù ó ṣàní pé ó ṣàfàrígá because ó jẹ́ kẹ́nìkan ọdún yẹn pé tó bá ti decide báyìí kò sí ní tẹ́lẹ̀ sọ fún un tó máa ṣe náà ló máa ṣe so bàtà wọn dé Kaduna yẹn ó ti ń plan kínní yẹn ó kàn díjọ́ kan bó ṣe lọ kó àwọn ọmọ ẹni tó mọ̀ pé ìyàwó wọn sí ní tó bó ṣe kó àwọn ọmọ ẹ lọ báyìí ẹni yìí ló wà pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ pẹ̀lú màmá yẹn jọ yẹn wọ́n retí ẹ̀ pé kó mú àwọn ọmọ kò kọ́ ẹrù kò kọ́ mọ́ àwọn bó ṣe mú àwọn ẹ̀ àwọn ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ṣe rí tó bà mí nú jẹ́ gan nínú ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ ni pé àwọn ẹ̀ jẹ́ ọmọ kan tó yẹ pé wọ́n are very very brilliant ó ní school kan tó wà ní ibi Basmol ní side gate yẹn náà ni ibẹ̀ ní school táwọn ọmọ yẹn lọ school yẹn wà very very expensive so ọmọ yẹn bó ṣe kéré tán she was 7 ọmọ yẹn ti ń represent school yẹn at that age àti ìkejì ẹ̀ gan ọmọ yẹn brilliant gidi gan tí ó ń ṣe ọmọ tó yẹ pé èèyàn lè tọ́ ẹ pẹ̀lú so bó ṣe kọ́ ọmọ yẹn lọ ìyá ọmọ yẹn náà wá rí opportunity wọ́n wá wọ́wọ́ àgbà tán rí ìyá ọmọ yẹn náà ní opportunity ó ní scholarship náà travel lọ sí US so ìgbà tó náà dé US tó tọkàn ẹ̀ balẹ̀ wọ́n á pè tọ́ pé ọmọ òun bóun ni kó bóun kó ọmọ it was later bọ́n lòun gan mọ̀ pé because òun náà ọ̀zù lọ́ngbà yẹn tó yẹ pé gbogbo wọn ti ní clash bet ibi tí ó kó ọmọ sí ọkàn ẹ̀ balẹ̀ pé ọwọ́ ẹ̀ nìyẹn so later ló ń padà ń gbọ́ pé Múyìwá ó ti wá kó ọmọ lọ so pàtó ṣáà tíyẹn débẹ̀ nísìnyí báyìí tíyẹn ṣáà ń béèrè fún ni pé kò sì ẹ̀ jẹ́ kóun rọ àwọn ọmọ òun it was 5 years or 6 years now tí mi wá ti kó nítorí wàá pa wàá bá rí ẹ tó jẹ́ pé ìròyìn tí ò ṣe gbọ́ rárá ni pé wọ́n ní Múyìwá ti kúrò ní Venezuela pé ó ti bọ́ sí Mexico wọ́n dẹ̀ ní by road náà ṣe cross láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ sí Mexico
pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọdé ni
pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ wọ́n ní mountain gbogbo ẹ̀ bó ṣe ń risky life àwọn ọmọ yẹn nìyẹn débi wípé wọ́n ní according to gbogbo àwọn tí tọ́mọ̀ pastor yẹn pé ẹsẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ yẹn is not pé ojú àwọn ọmọ yẹn ṣáàtì rẹ̀ dẹ̀dẹ̀ and then bí wàá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ gangan refugee camp náà wà tí Múyìwá bá fẹ́ tẹ bá wá pé pé Múyìwá o báwo ní ohun kankan a wá gbé báàgì rádaràda kan sẹ́yìn á jáde kúrò nínú kíní yẹn so kò ní fi traces pé òun wà ní refugee camp kò ní fi sí kò ní jẹ́ kẹrin rárá á wá sọ́wọ́ síta kó fún àwọn ọmọ gan hàn gan kò ní fi wọ́n hàn then ìgbà tí ó sú arábìnrin tó tún kàn sáwọn ìdílé pẹ̀tọ̀ ọmọ ẹ jẹ́ kóun rá àwọn ọmọ òun pé kí lórúkọ ẹ̀ wọ́n ní pé no pé nítorí ṣáà ń fẹ́ nísìnyí wọ́n ti rí pé lady yẹn ti wà alright pé sọ́ra kan tó padà yẹn lọ sọ pé òun lè lọ sínú abusing relationship mọ́ pé òun fẹ́ divorce but àwọn ọmọ òun kó jẹ́ kóun rá àwọn ọmọ òun ó ti prepare gan ibi táwọn ọmọ yẹn ó dé sí American even though gbogbo kílókò ilé tí wọ́n dé sí gbogbo playing house wọn gbogbo ẹ̀ ló send sí ibi ó jẹ́ ẹ̀rí.
ok
yes sir.
obìnrin yẹn kọ́ sí.
ó wà lamẹ́ríkàn sir.
ok kò sí Nàìjíríà mi.
ok
ìyàwó ti yín kọ́.
ìyàwó tèmi wà nílé.
báwo ni ìyàwó yín ṣe feel fún your involvement in this matter.
ṣẹ́rí kó tó di pé mo marry gan ló ti jẹ́ pé mi àti ẹni yìí ti wà. so n tó jẹ́ kátàìsì ni ó pé ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé inú ẹ̀ ó free. tí ẹ bá lọ sí sáìdì ìgbóná ń pe bíbí náà Kúfè Ìjì yes lẹ́yìn Yídì ló wà ibẹ̀ gangan láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó yẹ pé ó máa ń kóyàn mọ́ra tó yẹ pé tí kò ń rí kí èèyàn wà ní sọ̀rọ̀ tí ẹ bá trace ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ tó rán ní school on behalf of ó pé kìpé tí òun ṣe àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ wọn ló ń kàṣà so she's the kind of person like that so ó jẹ́ kí n lè súnmọ́ kò dẹ̀ ń ṣèyàn burúkú tó jẹ́ pé kìíní torí ẹ̀ gangan ni èmi àti ẹ̀ and then Hausa ni so èmi àti ẹ̀ máa ń sọ when it comes to Hausa so n tó jẹ́ kí relation ìyàwó mi dẹ̀ mọ̀ dáadáa ìyàwó mi mọ̀ dáadáa.
okay that's fine.
yes sir.
báwo yẹn wọ́n máa wò pé bóyá ẹlòmíì lè máa ronú tí ọ̀dà bá.
èmi ti marry mo dẹ̀ ọmọ méjì mo bí so obìnrin làwọn méjì.
ǹjẹ́ wọ́n ti pe máa yẹn bí Múyìwá.
ó dàbí ẹ̀ sà ó dàbí wọ́n ti pè but he is not responding.
tí wọ́n bá pe ẹni wá bí wọn ò ní gbé yín sórí afẹ́fẹ́.
bó ṣe gbọ́ pé wọ́n pè báyìí ó ṣàn kọ́ yẹn ni sà. àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀dẹ̀ tún ni sà àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ nígbà tó wà ní Kaduna ẹni yìí lè ṣe ẹlẹ́rìí èmi ò sí ń bẹ̀ ẹni yìí lè ṣe ẹlẹ́rìí torí ẹni yìí ló ń dúró táwọn ọmọ yẹn gbà yẹn. ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó yẹ pé àwọn ọmọ yẹn jẹ́ nǹkan tó yẹ pé yóò mú àwọn ọmọ yẹn yóò wá lọ ó ní mímọ̀ bí a sign language kìíní yẹn bí táwọn ọmọ yẹn brilliant dé ni o so àwọn ọmọ yẹn ló máa ń kọ́ táwọn ọmọ yẹn máa kọ́ àwọn tí ò abarapá wọ́n máa kọ́ wọn ní sign language ní when it come to mass ọmọ 7 years.
ó náà láti brilliant nìyẹn o.
no bàbá ẹ̀ brilliant gan.
Múyìwá yẹn náà brilliant.
yes brilliant but àwọn ọmọ méjèèjì yẹn ní school yẹn is not okay Ìbàdàn hospital general bàbá yẹn ní school ńbẹ̀ school yẹn ni àwọn ọmọ yẹn wà tẹ́lẹ̀.
bàbá Múyìwá.
no school tó ń lọ.
okay.
Ìbàdàn hospital kìíní ni.
okay Mr. Múyìwá kí n lè pè.
Múyìwá Ọ̀ṣátìlẹ́yìn.
ṣé wọ́n sá máa ń gbọ́ wa ní refugee o.
Venezuela ló ṣáà.
Mr. Múyìwá Ọ̀ṣátìmẹ́yìn.
Yes sir.
Mr. Múyìwá Ọ̀ṣátìmẹ́yìn ṣùgbọ́n ìbáwù mi tí ìyàwó ẹ̀ gan bá lè bá wa sọ̀rọ̀.
a lè pè é sí sá.
ẹ pè kó bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ṣé mọ̀ pé ẹjọ́ lọ́mọ ni ó dáa tó bá lè bá wa sọ̀rọ̀. Can you explain what happened between you and your husband concerning your children in 1 minute?
Okay, me and I went our separate ways.
Hello, ma.
Hello, sir.
Okay, we can hear you now.
Okay, so we've been having issues for so many years. Then until 2018, he told me he was going to leave, that he wants to go and start his life afresh. He will get another woman to have more children. I can take care of the children. And so that was how he left. So he relocated from Ibadan to Kaduna 2018. Apparently he was planning to travel out of the country then, but somehow it didn't work out. So I left Ibadan as well. I went to Kaduna to stay with his foster mom because I had nowhere else to go. Then I got opportunity to travel on a scholarship to come school here. So before I left my 2 children with mommy, his foster mom, and the house help Lucy, who's right there in the studio with you. But before then, Múyìwá always comes to my room because I was staying with his foster mom. He comes to my room all the time to fight me, but I don't say anything until one day, Lucy, who's right there, was in the room when she saw Múyìwá came in to start, as usual, scattering my things, insulting me. So she ran and went to tell mommy in the main house because I was in the BQ. And mommy had to quarrel with Múyìwá. You cannot give her unrest in Ibadan and come to my house and do the same thing. I don't ever want to see you in her room again. So Múyìwá got angry and packed out of the house. I went and rented a place that was about 1 hour away from us. So when he left, that's when I left Lucy, literally with Lucy and mommy, then I traveled. And one fateful day, because I call them 4 times a week on video call every week. One fateful day, I called, as usual, to talk to my children, and that was when Lucy told me, Múyìwá came and just took the children, made it look like they were going out. He didn't say anything to her, he just took them and left. So I felt, okay, maybe he just trolled with them and he will come back. I waited and waited. I called Lucy. Lucy said nothing. So when they informed mommy said he's their father. Of course, he will not harm the children, and that was it. We started calling Múyìwá. He switched off his phone. He blocked me, blocked Lucy, blocked his mom, blocked my family members, and that was the last time I heard. To even concentrate in school was a big problem for me because as a mother.
Hello.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. Don't be emotional. Don't be emotional.
He left and blocked me since 2020. I can't even talk to my children. Only for me to hear in the month of May. Somebody sent an information and said, Múyìwá is in Mexico. I said, doing what in Mexico? They said he's been in Mexico. He tried to come into the U.S. from Venezuela. It didn't work. He now had to go by road to Mexico. And when he was taking the trip, he sat my 2 children down and told them that they may not make it alive because they're going to go by road. And my son asked him, Daddy, if we die, are we going to go to heaven? That really broke my heart. Because that's all they will know, because all they know is we teach them about God all the time and their schoolwork, so it's very easy for him to ask if they'll go to heaven. And so they gave me information of how they suffered on the way, because he confided in someone. He didn't know the person. We confided with somebody who knows me. So that's how I got the information. He confided in a friend, the friend confided in somebody, and the person now confided in me. That the children suffered, they were busy picking food, different things on the road, whether it's healthy or not, how they climbed mountains, how my son cannot even breathe well because of all they went through. They saw a lot of dead bodies on the way, injuries on their legs. My heart is broken. And I tried, they gave me a number to reach Muyiwa. I called Muyiwa several times. He didn't pick. I sent him messages. If you need help, let me know how my children do. I even did a screenshot of the messages I sent to Madam Esther, Yinka, right there. I think maybe she's in the studio. I've been trying to reach my children. I pay school fees for people's children I don't even know. And my children, I can't even reach my children because they're not even in school.
Sorry.
They're not even in school.
Sorry.
And I'm paying school fees for other people's children. I don't know what I did to Muyiwa. She just let me have my children. I can't take care of them. It's in Mexico. I can't take care of my children. I did a video of my house where I already prepared a toy room for them in the playground. I sent the video to Madam Esther, and I sent the video to Yinka and Lucy. But I've prepared a place for them for 2 years. I've been praying and praying, trusting God that God will one day let me hear from my children. And Muyiwa still has refused to grant me access to my children. I just want my children, let them have a good life. They need a good life. I can take care of them. I don't have a belief. Muyiwa wants to be seeing his children. He's free anytime he wants to come to America. He's free to see his children. And anytime I come to Nigeria, I will definitely take them along. That one, I cannot do what he did because I want my children to know their family members. Because I've seen cases where people marry relatives. I don't want that. My children definitely will be in touch with their family members. They will be in touch with their father, but he can't help them right now. So if I'm in the better position to help those children, let me help these children. Because even in his old age,
Madam, have you remarried?
Yes,
Have you remarried?
Right now, I'm engaged right now. That's the truth. I'm engaged because Muyiwa had left us since 2018.
It's all
He has
right.
even moved on with his life.
It's all right. Forget about that. If assisting Muyiwa along with your children will be possible for you, and you have your children when they get to America, can you do that? If you have the power to do that.
Yes, sir, I can. I sent him. See, sir, honestly, the problem Muyiwa is having. Muyiwa called you. It was one of his friends. He used to call me. Even after I called him, he saw my number. He didn't respond, but he gave my number to one of his friends who called me. I told the friend, no matter what Muyiwa has done, I have forgiven him. I can help. But because the statement Muyiwa made, he said he would rather die than for me to help him.
Wow.
He's not ready to take help from me. So if he doesn't want the help, my children need the help. I'm their mother.
Yes.
We suffered in Ibadan. Yinka is there. My children take Gary to school. When Muyiwa left us, they take Gary and Grandma to school. That's what they take to school. And nobody knows. I didn't tell anybody. I didn't even tell my family members that Muyiwa had abandoned us because I don't want them to hate him. I kept covering Muyiwa up. Apparently, I was making the biggest mistake of my life. So he can't claim to be loving those children now because the Lucy is there, the house help is there that was helping his foster mom. She's right there. He will take them out to go and do this to make money for himself. He won't even take care of those children. He will deceive them. I will buy you this, I will buy you that. When they go out with Yinka, with Muyiwa comes back, the children are hungry and tired. When they start asking, Daddy, you promised to buy us this, he will start beating them up. Lucy is right there. She will tell you. I suffered so much abuse in the hands of Muyiwa. Even the children knew.
It's all right.
They kept telling me back then in Ibadan, Mommy, let's leave.
Madam.
Like, I just didn't have here to go. Yes, sir.
Madam, calm down.
Yes, sir.
I feel your pain. Honestly, I feel your pain. As a mother, even if you are not privileged to know what your children are going through up there, you will not be at peace without seeing your children, let alone of getting the information of the situation your children are. As a good mother, you will not be happy until you see your children. But this is it. Apart from this man in the studio, do you still know some Muyiwa's friend that we can get his contact from?
Unfortunately, sir, Muyiwa lied to all his friends about me. He does lie, twisted the whole story, and all of them believed. All his friends believe Muyiwa. So I don't have contact. I can't reach out to any of his friends. They don't talk to me. When some of them insulted me, then they insulted me and blocked me, and that was it. I don't have access to it except
you are from
yes,
you are from which part of the country?
Kaduna State, but I'm mixed, half Kaduna and half Edo.
Okay. That means you don't understand Yoruba language at all.
No, sir, I don't. I just little, but I don't understand Yoruba
Well,
language.
the man
Just
here have
little.
already told us you're a Hausa girl. Sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Let us do some things of the underground. We'll get back to you.
All right, thank you, sir.
We'll do some things
All
underground.
right, sir.
We'll send this man back to you. There's some things we need to do that we don't need to say it on here if you want it to be done.
All right, sir.
Calm down.
Okay, sir.
Calm
All
down,
right, sir.
madam. Calm down.
Thank you, sir.
Ọmọbìnrin yẹn ń tó sọ rèé o. Ó ṣàlàyé bóun àti ọkọ òun ti jọ gbénu lé tó yẹ pé kọ̀bà ò lè nínà lónìí nínà lọ́la ni. Ó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀mí òun òde tọkọ òun náà òde ànàbàjẹ́ ni. Onígbò ọ̀dọ́jọ́ kan lọkọ òun ní wò wá o ọlọ́ọ̀bọ̀ wo ọmọ méjì tó bí yìí òun náà jáde lọ òun ò wo obìnrin míì lọ tí yóò bímọ míì fóun ọmọ wo eléyìí mọ́ tọ́jú ẹ̀ òun bá tòun lọ. Ó ní ìgbà yẹn lọkọ òun jáde tó sì bá tiẹ̀ lọ ó wá sọ ibi tó ń kọ́mọ sí obìnrin tó tẹ̀lé ọkùnrin yìí wá ọ̀dọ̀ wọn ni ọmọ wà nígbà tọkọ ẹ̀ padà wá tó wá kó ọmọ ó sì gba ìlú Kaduna lọ bó ti kó ọmọ ọlọ́bàyà yẹn pé ọmọ òun ní ìyẹn sọ pé bàbá ọmọ lọ́kọ̀ ọmọ lọ ṣé yóò àṣà àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ léṣe bí. Ó tún wá sọ gbóntá ojú àwọn ọmọ òun máa ń rí àtẹ̀yẹ tójú wọn ń rí nísìnyí ní Mexico bí wọ́n ṣe ń jìyà bí wọ́n ṣe bókú èèyàn lójú ọ̀nà nígbà wọ́n ń lọ báwọn ọmọ yẹn wọn ò lè mí dáadáa mọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe fẹsẹ̀ rìn bí wọ́n ṣe ń jìyà gan kó tó di pé wọ́n débi wọ́n wà báyìí. Ó lóun ti lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó lọ tán lòun náà ṣe ẹ̀sáàmù kan lòun ní scholarship lòun di ẹni èrò Amẹ́ríkà. Ó ní Amẹ́ríkà tó ń wà yìí Ọlọ́run ti fààyè gba òun o débi pé òun tiẹ̀ ti gbalé òun sì ti ṣètò lẹ̀ fún àwọn ọmọ òun pé tí wọ́n bá dé ibi wọn ò dé sí ni ó ní ká bọkùnrin pé òun ti sẹ́ndì fọ́tò sí. Ó ní gbogbo ìgbìyànjú láti rí mú ìwà ọkọ òun kó kó àwọn ọmọ òun fóun lọ́jà sí pàbó. Ó ní kì í fẹ́ bóun sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ tó tún mọ̀mọ́ òun tóun lè bi léèrè tóun lè bá sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn onímọ̀ bá sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan àwọn ló sì jẹ́wọ́ fún tí wọ́n mọ̀ pé inú kọ̀ọ̀bà olè lòun náà wà. Gbà tí mo bí léèrè pé só ní àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi ìtọ́mọ̀ mọ́ mú ìwà yàtọ̀ sẹ́ńtọ́ wà yìí ó ní gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mú ìwà pátá ni mú ìwà ti ba òun jẹ́ fún ó sọ̀rọ̀ burúkú sí mú ìwọ fún wọn nípa òun àwọn náà sì gbàgbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Kókó ń tọ́sọ náà nìyẹn ó sì sunkún bẹ́ẹ̀ bá gbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣàgbọ́gbà tí ń sunkún. Èyí éfè èbó sunkún ẹkún náà lẹkún jẹ́. Ó sun ẹkún yẹn normally kò fi steeze sún. Kò fi pákéjì sún ó sunkún gẹ́gẹ́ bí abiyamọ. Ó wà nínú ìbànújẹ́. Ó lóun wò pé sáwọn ọmọ òun sì lè bọ́ nínú wàhálà ìbáyìí. Bó làwọn ọmọ òun ó ṣe mórí bọ́. Mo ní só lè padà ṣé ó ti ní ọkọ lọ́hùn ó lóun ti lọ́kọ míì òun àti ìṣègbéyàwó ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n engage. Ó ní fún díẹ̀ yìí mo wá ní só lè mú ìwá só lè ràn mú ìwá lọ́wọ́ tó bá jẹ mọ́kọ́ ràn mú ìwá lọ́wọ́ ní ọjọ́ ọmọ rẹ̀ ọdọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ ó lóun lè ṣe. Ó ní ṣùgbọ́n mú ìwá ó lè gun orí débi pé mú ìwá ní òun ọ̀yà kú ni tóun ọba fi gbàràn lọ́wọ́ látọ̀dọ̀ òun. Tó wá fi wá jẹ́ pò ló wọ́n ràn lọ́wọ́ nú ayé kó wọ́n ya mọ́ ẹ lọ.
Túkà àbàpadà yẹn wá bó lẹ ṣe rí sí ẹ jẹ́ darapọ̀ ní abala àrùsùkẹ́ máa ń comment bó ló ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ tí yín bẹ̀ wọ́n tó dáhùn Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní nǹkan tó kọ wájú sẹ́nìkan ẹ̀yìn ló kúkọ sí ọmọ ẹlòmíì bó ló ṣe rí lágbọ̀n tọ̀dọ̀ tí yín bẹ̀ wọ́n lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣé bọ́gbẹ́ni ẹ ṣe gbọ́mọ yẹn lọ ṣó bójú mọ́ ṣá ìyàwó sọ pé òun fẹ́ rọ́mọ ìyẹn ò jẹ́ kó rọ́mọ kò jẹ́ kó bá ọmọ sọ̀rọ̀ for how long. Ẹ jẹ́ darapọ̀ ní abala àrùsù kẹ́ máa ń comment kẹ́ máa like kẹ́sì máa bá mi pín fọ́nrán ẹ̀ káàkiri lógúnlógún lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n wà ní ìrìjù báyìí lọ lórí ilé tí a mú wá fún yín ní sáà yìí bá tún ṣe lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbégbè pátá náà lẹ́la àǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ lórí ìkànnì àdàbà tẹlifíṣàn àdàbà ọ̀nà ní à ń sùngbẹ́ iná ń jó ẹ̀yẹlégbèrà ńlẹ̀ àdàbà àtúntìfòfẹ̀rẹ̀ awọ̀lú sọ̀lúdẹ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀sẹ̀.
Agbe ní gbére pàdé olókun àdùkò ní gbére pàdé ọlọ́sà òdìdẹrẹ́ ní gbére pàdé wọn lóde ìwò fún ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tí nǹkan rẹ̀ ò ṣe déédé ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tí ṣàyàwó rẹ̀ ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ gbọ́ jìgìjìgì lára lójú lọ mú kára rẹ̀ ó tó le ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó ń retí ọmọ bíbí ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan tó dáa láyé pẹ̀lú aya rẹ tí ìfàyàlòyà tí ó fi di nǹkan tó dáa, ìwọ tátọ̀ rẹ ń sàn tí ò kí tó láti dọmọ, ìwọ ọkùnrin tára rẹ ò le, ìwọ ọkùnrin sẹ̀ẹ̀kan dìde, ìwọ ọkùnrin tátàn rẹ ò dúró déédéé, ìwọ ọkùnrin tó ń retí ọmọ, ìwọ ọkùnrin tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó. ọgbọ́ capable herbal energy capsule ló nílò fún gbogbo àìṣedéédéé ara rẹ kó o lè jẹ́rìí sọmọ bíbí àti nǹkan tó dáa láti ṣe.